So in this video, let's talk about gain structure. That's all important for your actors and actresses as well as principals or you as a teacher if you want to have the correct setup so that you sound good and you have enough gain to just make all the things work with effects and control of the sound. Let's take a look at the board. So I'm coming in over here on channel B with this handheld. Notice my microphone is set at unity at 0. It is on. And over here on the far side, the master fader is also at 0. Now, how did we get there? Let's take a look. So for right now, the sound level for this video is pretty good. But notice, I actually have raised this from where they had it for their microphones. I just hit the home button to get me back. So what you want to do, we'll come back over here to this microphone. When you are setting up your mics on your actors, on your students, again, set your faders at unity at 0. Set your faders at 0. Set your master fader at 0. And start bringing up the level until it sounds good. We talked earlier that minus 20 is really a place you want to head, but maybe that's going to be too much. That may be too loud. So you'll want to set this, but notice what happens when I start cutting the level down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It gets really, really soft. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we can go too far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's probably distorted now. So we're going to bring it back and get it down into that sweet spot where it sounds good. And then your level is set. And when you have all of your faders, again, when you start a show and you have your faders at 0 or at unity, you know you're in a safe place to start your show. 1, 2, 3, it's showing up right here as minus 40. I'm only getting one light. I'm not getting both. But if that's where it needs to be for your show, that's okay.